Hi everyone, so I want to show you something cute with dough that you can do with your pies. So I have blueberry here. I got like the little ones. So let me show you. So you need to have your dough at room temperature, otherwise it's gonna like shrink back. And you always wanna use the rolling pin. Let me show you how. From the center up, okay? So this way it doesn't shrink back as well. So up like this, okay, and then down like this. And you twist it. And go up. So you're pulling it. You want to do all the sides like this, going around 4 sides, okay? So this way the gravity is gonna push it up. Okay. And then it's also gonna be a nice circle. Okay. So I want to get this dough as thin as possible. So I want to do something cute because like this is something you can do with your kids or for yourself, and I want to share with you. So let me get this all the way thin out and I'll start showing you what we're doing. It's really fun actually to do this. And I'll show you using plunger cutouts for like dough or whatever you use it. You can use it for like clay and fondant. I'm going to use it for dough today. So I have 2 little ones here. You can do it on bigger one, doesn't matter. I'm just using the small ones. Okay, so let's see to get it thin. So mine is at room temperature, but even so, it's going back and forth, but which is fine. We're going to get it out. Okay. Okay. It's almost there. It's getting thinned out. Anyways, you'll be using a cutter, so the size won't matter so much for this one. So that doesn't matter too much. We're just making sure that it's thin enough for us to put it on our pie here. If you go on the other side, make sure it's also nice and flat. Okay. It's there. Okay. I think we're getting there. Okay. Okay, so I think now it's perfect. Okay. Okay, see? So it's good. It's pretty thin. I have some flour already I put on so it doesn't stick. Okay, so I have this cutter here. It's like perfect for the pie, as you can see. So it's a little bit bigger than the pie, which is fine because the dough will shrink a little bit. And also you want to cover the sides so it doesn't drip out. It looks nice also anyways once on the side. And then let me show you my plunger cutouts. So I have the flour, a smaller one and a big one. So I'll show you how you use this like a pusher. Okay, so once you put it in the dough, so first let's start with this because we want to use this for one of them. So we're going to be using one of these for one of the tops of the pies. So let me show you that. Okay, so that's that. Okay, let's put that here. And this will lead to do more design. So this is how you're going to start. So you're going to take this one, these plunger cutouts. So you're going to take the bigger one first for this one. I'm going to push it down. You could get it on Amazon. I got it on Amazon. There's a lot of stores that sell this. I don't have exactly like this one, but this is the one that I bought this time. I have different ones. And once you got it, once you push it in, you take it out. The dough might stick. It's okay. Just push it out. Gorgeous, right? So you're going to put that on the side. Let's do more. You could put the flour around here also in case, so you don't want it to stick. Then you can do one more here. Okay, just make sure you're pushing it a little bit so it cuts it off. Another one. How cute is that? Imagine doing this with your kids. How happy are they going to be doing this? I truly see my kids loving this new little plunger thing that I got from Amazon. Okay, just move it around a little bit. And another one. Now, Let me get the smaller plunger thing here. And we can just put one in the middle. Okay, and then push it out. Okay, so now let's get one of our pies here and put it on top. You can push down the sides. Okay. Push it down. How cute is that? So you give each one an individual pie in their plate for dessert if you're having guests or your kids or yourself. Beautiful. Okay, so let me show you another cute idea. So now we have some of the dough left. So we have 3 big ones left. We're going to make some more small ones, and I'll show what we're going to do with them. Okay, push it out. Okay, push it out. Another one. Okay, took another one. Okay, so we have about 6 now. Okay, we can make it. I find it making it uneven much better. So let's make it 7. Okay, so let's move this aside. You know what maybe I'll do? Let's start, and if I feel like I want to add more, I'll add more. So let's take our pie. I'm going to take the little dough pieces and just drop it here. Okay. And then we're going to take another one and drop here. Okay. On here. Here. Okay. How cute is that? So that's another cute idea. And if you show this to your kids or your guests, they'll be in love. And it's really easy. And this one you're using from here. And then if you have more dough, you can come up with more stuff you want. But this is one of the ideas. 2 of the ideas actually that I want to share with you. Thank you so much for staying with me. And I'll see you next time, ladies and gentlemen. Bye-bye.